Good afternoon viewers. Today again we are at a beautiful property. This is again located towards Sarjapur Road, developed by one of the major developers known for quality development and giving you a unique property experience. This property is Nambiar Eleganza, which is located at Sarjapur Road. So we are giving you a tour of a 4-bedroom villa which is located outside here. So this is how the elevation would look. The parking area and the home comes with a garden space in the front in here, and this is a dedicated parking where you can park 2 vehicles in place, and the development is in place. This is actually an under construction property and a huge door. We're talking about the locking system is also all automated. You get the automated things in place, and as you enter you got a living space here, completely done. So formal living space as you enter through the main door. In this is again a second living space. The entire TV unit is all built in, dedicated puja room all in place there, and at the lower space you've got the dining space here and a spacious kitchen. If you look at the quality, they are known for their quality make developments in place here. You're living in the second dining place there, and this is your storage area and the wet kitchen, and a separate access for the servant to enter the home through the side door. And all the it's all Italian marble, and at the ground level you've got a bedroom here. So spacious bedroom sizes in there, spacious designs, aspects. The common washroom, the fitments are all from Dura with the high-end specifications. Spacious washrooms in here. We've got, it's a huge space. And at the ground level you've got a common powder room in place, complete in here. And we're going to level 1. This is how the staircase are all done, part of work in here. And again the family area at level 1 here. And this is how the stairs, how you come up. And a workstation space, work from home aspect. And this is the second bedroom which is there at level 1, the kids bedroom. Spacious living, natural ventilation all in place here, and a walk-in wardrobe concept in the bedroom, and again spacious washrooms in here. All the fitments are all from Duravet and all in place. Quality finishing detailings. This is the master bedroom in here. The master bedroom comes with a wooden flooring, and the king size living space is pretty huge in here. Master bedroom opens towards a sit out, a balcony area here on the top with the views. With the master bedroom you have a walk-in wardrobe concept here, so you've got a good space for the wardrobes and the attached washroom here. Again the spacious, the fitments are all top notch, top class, and that's your shower area. So this is the level 2 where we are heading. And on the top floor you have the entertainment unit or the AV room in place here. So this again, if you are into the class is apart in here when you talk about this developer in terms of finishing, detailing and all. And the deck at the upper level, pretty spacious decks in place here. So if you're looking at a quality product, something at Sarjapur Road, this is the development which you have to count in for. For further details, contact PropTech Realty, one of the major marketing partners for developers in Bangalore. Thank you.